Southwest Kasil District bat kamau korban Arm Wrestling Association kadab da ke jingman bat jing ngau sarong ya kinong ine kai arm wrestling jong ke district lawan raburam da ka bayo bon tadi kitakma ha ka 35 Meghalaya State bat third para arm wrestling championship araja priu kabla long Hassan Kasi College Jylla Shillong nedu spotarik hadu ka sautarik duber araja priu igini kinong ine kai la jitling ba ka third Southwest Kasil District Level Arm Wrestling Championship come selection trial arajar arpundri kabala pelong da kamau kurwat Arm Wrestling Association hak arpatri udampang arhaja arpundri ha Southwest Kasil District hakani ke jinga ko na jil hadu arpundri ngun kinong ine kai Henry kibla leg mi khman shaka state championship kilong up saungun kiba kenthom eki kenthei kishinrang but ru ki para PWD athletes nagini up saungun hadu khat saungun kinong ine kai kila job but your medal habaro ki district kala your up santali ki takma ki bakken tho pratali ki gold medal pratali ki silver medal but khandai tali ki bronze medal kabakam ngautenan but penkemen ya ka Southwest Kasil District kalong baka history jong ka arm wrestling ha Meghalaya kala sakhi ya ka jingkala pathamai u Jimmison Marwen arpwais nam ga kerta ubana kashnong maurang lang Southwest Kasil District ulala banjob ya ka jingakun champion of champion COC habaro artli kikti kata ka right hand but left hand da ka bau Pynliem yuba alansun marbanyang ubla julong world time champion jong Jylla Meghalaya la bon snam ka jingjob jong kini kinong ile kai kalong ka jingwan ra buram ya ka district bet ka Jylla hi paro ko we
Dakik. Acak, Jimmison, acak. Yes! Hey! Go, Jimmy! Grab it, play! No,